missed the connection one in Washington. I had to wait till like 6 a.m. this morning and then fly to Chicago.
Oh shit.
So I was like awake the whole night in the airport.
Just might take it a little slow today.
Yeah, I'm not.
Just kind of, you don't gotta.
Yeah.
Don't gotta kill yourself first day. Go swimming. It's hot out.
I've been to Austin like once before, about 3 years ago, and it's just such a sick place. Like, it's like a kind of hippie town. The riding spots over here and the whole riding scene is unbelievable. I can't believe that I'm actually going to be hanging out with Chase and film like a split edit. It's just pretty crazy. I did not expect it to be this hot. It's so nice, like. Well, where we are just now in the shade's brilliant, but like 1 foot to my left and it's going to be sweating within 2 minutes probably. It's seriously like 100 degrees, so I don't know how we're going to be able to ride in this heat, but I think the plan is if we just ride in the mornings and maybe in the evenings, but I'm just stoked to be here and continuing on with these trips. Chase is he's just got the best style ever. Like, he doesn't even need to do anything, he could do a manual and it would just look amazing. Nothing looks like it's an effort for him, he just cruises around and just makes everything look good. Coming from like watching him in road fills and all that when he was like dead young, just to where he is now, and I just can't believe I'm riding with him.
I've known about Kriss for a few years now, but I've never really gotten the chance to really hang out with him. We've only got 4 or 5 days or so I really want to show him what Austin is like. It gets at least over 100 degrees here, so anytime that you can mix the day up with a little bit of swimming or something always makes it a little bit more fun to go ride afterwards or after riding, you know. We're at House Park in Austin, Texas. It's glory hour. Got to cruise around this place.
The park is warm, but it's absolutely amazing. There's so much stuff to do here. Like, you could honestly ride here every day and just not get bored of it. Woo! Yeah, that's the one. Sick, thank you. Just hiding in the shade.
It's 10:20, and I think we've already broken the 100-degree mark. So maybe go shoot some guns.
It's a bit scary though. And the amount of guns in here is unreal. I'm scared. Do they have BB guns?
The most important rules that we have out there, just keep it downrange for us at all times. No rapid fire. All right, I'll put y'all right there.
My heart's fucking pumping, dude. Dude, so scary. I'm fucking done, dude.
I felt like it was just gonna fly out my hands. Honestly,
oh my
like,
god,
so
dude. Swim spot number 2 on the trip. Hamilton Pool. There you go. Oh yeah.
That is amazing. That's so sick.
You can't touch out in the middle though, so you gotta swim all the way across. Big fish in here too.
Yeah, seriously, honestly, the fish was like that.
Cornfield Skate Park. We out here.
I'm in love with this place already.
people have been riding this ditch for probably 20 years or so. Just recently, some new stuff got quick created, so we're gonna go check it out.
Oh shit. Okay. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Holy shit, that's sick. Yeah, that's nice.
You know what I'm doing?
So hot. Ah, sweat in my eyes again.
We're finishing up breakfast right now. Then we're gonna go out on a friend of mine's boat and then maybe finish the day off at T1. So,
Sounds like a sick day.
A little bit, and then you'll get your feet on it. You know what I'm saying? Kid stood up, first timer.
There's no way in hell I'm gonna be able to get up on that.
Looks easy.
it's fun, but dude, it's a little hard.
That one felt good. Felt like I still felt as if I should have. I don't know. I don't know what way to go on it.
That was the board.
Absolutely amazing. So much fun. Like, didn't really stand up too well, but it's so hard to wake skate. Like, I never thought it'd be that hard, but it's so hard. And we're just out here on this boat, just loving it. This is fucking sick. Holy shit, this is sick. Just such a legendary ramp, and it's just, I don't know, it's every kid's dream to come here and ride this. Yeah, I'm stoked to be working with Joe on this one because I've watched a lot of his stuff. He's definitely a good filmer and I really like his work.
I've seen some of Kriss's videos in the past year, which are pretty amazing, so I was pretty psyched to be able to shoot with him and chase at the same time, just get some awesome footage. For the edit itself, I've been, having a lot of thoughts about it, trying to make things as beautiful as I can, and combining that with some really fast editing and see how it comes together. Should be pretty sweet.
Trip has been absolutely amazing. Like, it's been definitely one of the best trips I've ever been on. They just keep getting better and better.
I feel like we got a lot done, but hopefully, you know, he wants to come back for a little bit, you know? Maybe winter or something when the weather's a little nicer and, you know, maybe get to take his time a little bit more.
I had an absolute blast chasing all that. All the boys sorted it out over here. Shot guns, like went wake skating, done so much stuff in such a short amount of time, which it's just crazy. So I'm absolutely bummed to be going home, but at the same time it's going to be good to get into some Scottish rain.
Man.
Thanks a lot for everything, man.
I don't know where we're at. We're in the middle of Scotland right now.
Shit, there's actually cops, lads, no joke.